Today we're going to be playing, not playing, we're going to be listening at the nature park. We just saw a rabbit right now. That's why I asked my dad to record. So just if we see another one. There's a bunch of cactuses here. And there's a bunch of stuff. We're about to see some birds. Because I was using the map right now. I was using the map. I think we're about to see some birds right now.
There's the park!
Yeah.
I found the park!
That's the wrong park. Well, yeah, we'll go to that park later.
And there's a park over there. I don't know if you can see that. There's like a little slide picking out.
There used to be shoes.
Okay. Are you going to be a YouTuber when you grow? I'm already a YouTuber. And I'm already a YouTuber, Catherine. So I know how to post videos on YouTube.
I don't think we're on the right trail.
Me neither.
What is that trail to the park?
It showed there would be like
Finally.
oh, nice. We're going in here. I'm probably gonna get a lot of likes on this video.
Probably. What? Something we're all going. Come on, it's a walking path. Come on.
Yeah.
We go find
Scary.
No, it's not scary. It's beautiful.
Please don't tell me there's any alligators.
No.
Catherine. There's a lot of cactus
It's a
over there.
nature park.
There's a bunch of cactus.
That bite?
Maybe rabbits, but that's it.
Squirty and almost squirty.
So where are we going? Where are we going to turn?
Right or left?
Right.
Oh, this is the exit. Let's go this way for cactus.
I'm scared. Exit. Did you see the sign right there?
This is what Texas looks like if there were no houses.
And there's a bunch of animals. Hope we see another rabbit. I want to show you that there's that rabbit. We'll see it. Maybe we'll see it when we're coming back.
Are we going to come in?
Going.
I want to take pictures of you guys, so Anderson, you might have to put your video on hold.
So there's like, how about the trees right
Let's see,
here?
where does the sign tell us to go here?
We should probably take this path.
Can we go this way?
Yeah. And bunch of leaves. Do you see those flowers growing on the cactus?
There's no kids.
I didn't know flowers could grow on cactus.
We can. Oh, I almost walked into a cactus right now. Okay. Trees and stuff.
Yes.
Do you know if you guys want to do this, it's going to hurt your back a lot. Okay. If you,
Okay.
so,
Hey, look, here's a little spot.
yeah, can we go right there?
Yeah.
I'm going to show it to them.
No, there's no people there. There's no people there. Are
Like,
we walking on a bridge right now?
maybe some people sit here. I'm going to sit here right now.
Oh,
Can you sit here?
because I'm scared.
Here, let's take a selfie. Look right here. Come sit with me. Sit over here, Tintin.
Oh, I can't take
No,
a
you
selfie.
come sit here with me.
I can't. 'Cause
Stop your video.